Hyperscaler cloud service providers bring global business solutions outsourcing and consulting capabilities to support and enable organizations to migrate, adopt, and build cloud-native offerings. These providers leverage their cloud professionals' experience and talent to consult on platform re-architecture, application development, data migration, and transitioning services from technology stakes into macro and microservices hosted in a data center on-premise, private cloud, public cloud that is hyperscale, or any combination. Hello and welcome to VAR India News Hour. With an infinite increase of data, applications, connections, and workloads taxing an organization's ability to adapt and develop to new platforms, DevOps, testing, security, and governance requirements are hamstringing innovation, processes, and go-to-market efforts. As a result, organizations are working with partners to transition storage, computing, backup, and hosting services to cloud-based platforms to leverage the scale and compute power they can provide. Hyperscaler provides computing architecture to appropriately scale as customers increase system demand. Hyperscaling typically involves seamlessly provisioning and adding compute, memory, networking, and storage resources to a given node or a set of nodes that comprise a larger computing, distributed computing, or grid computing environment. Examples of hyperscalers are Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google GCP, Alibaba AliCloud, IBM, and Oracle. Presently, VMware's strategy is to offer an overlay to businesses that find themselves using hybrid multi-cloud can link those resources with virtual networks and apply consistent security policies instead of having to treat each of their clouds as a silo. That approach competes with hyperscalers by giving VMware customers the chance to adopt multi-cloud with theoretically less complexity and pain rather than feeling they might need to commit to fewer clouds for the sake of simplicity. But it also complements hyperscalers who know that hybrid multi-cloud has happened mostly by accident rather than as a result of planning or strategy and needs to be accommodated before it irritates customers. Going forward, we are at an inflection point in the industry where the cloud is being adopted more and more by the telecom segment. AWS, Microsoft via its Azure Cloud, and Google Cloud have all made their intentions plain. They want to bring the telecom industry into the cloud. That's not really a surprise, of course. A wide range of industries, from media to government to financial services, have already put much of their core digital infrastructure into the cloud. So now, it's the turn of the telecom industry. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. India to impose tax on Amazon for cloud services fee paid to the US. As per the new rules, Indian tax officials are going to levy tax on cloud services fees paid by Amazon to the US. The new rules are conveyed to Amazon and could result in significant amounts of taxes for the company. The company will be liable to pay taxes for a period that could stretch to a couple of years prior to the date of order, though it is not clear which specific tax authority passed the new order involving Amazon. Google working on AI search feature to engage directly. In the Q4 earnings call of the company, Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, confirmed plans to bring AI-like search features that people can engage directly with. Sundar Pichai said, "In the coming weeks and months, we will make these language models available starting with Lambda, that is LAMDA, so that people can engage directly with them, and this will help us continue to get feedback, test, and safely improve them." Binance stops wallet services for WazirX. Crypto giant Binance has terminated wallet services for Zanmai Labs, which operates the homegrown crypto exchange WazirX. In a statement, Binance has directed Zanmai Labs to withdraw all funds held in Binance wallets for WazirX's operations. The claimed misleading statements relate to the public spat between the co-founders of the two companies, Changpeng Zhao and Nishchal Shetty, over Binance's purported ownership of Zanmai Labs. IIT Madras to get 242 crores grant for research on LGD. The Indian Institute of Technology Madras will be granted 242 crores over a period of 5 years to undertake research on lab-grown diamonds, that is LGD, which will be focused on driving the indigenization of the LGD manufacturing process. While presenting the budget 2023, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said to encourage indigenous production of LGD seeds and machines and to reduce import dependency, a research and development grant will be provided to one of the IITs for 5 years. Google Ads push virtualized malware unreadable for antivirus solutions. As per cybersecurity researchers, a new advertising campaign on the Google Ads network is pushing malware onto unsuspecting victims' endpoints, making this malvertising campaign different from others. The distributed malware is almost impossible for today's antivirus solutions to pick up. The threat actors build code that can only be understood by virtual machines. If the victims run the malware, the virtual machine can translate the code back to its original code and run the malicious execution. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Hour. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.